Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI trading bots, which is Autosnipe AI and other trading bot. So to help you decide which of these bot will be a better option for you, is it Autosnipe AI or other trading bot? So to get started, choosing the better Solana trading bot among Autosnipe AI, Trojan or Solana, or even bank bot really depends on what you need to do. So Autosnipe AI built for extreme speed, perfect if your main goal is to snipe newly launched token and be among the first to buy them. Though it comes with high risk due to the speculative nature of new listing. Here you need a more around Richard Fitch board for diverse trading strategies across multiple cryptocurrencies and chain. Trojan and Solana is a strong contender, offering advanced tools like MEV protections, auto buys and sells, and a comprehensive analytics. On the other hand, Bankbot excel in lightning fast meme coin trading directly within Telegram, making it incredibly popular for those focused purely on quick speculative traders within the Solana ecosystem. Ultimately, each bot serves a slightly different purpose. Autosnipe AI is for aggressive and high-risk sniping, while Trojan bot is for broad range of more advanced strategies, and Bankbot is for quick, simple meme coin trading. Your ideal choice will align with your trading styles and how much risk you're willing to take. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.